Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the alcohol markers. We are going to unbox them and we are going to test them, how that works, how it blends. So let's get started. So I had ordered this 48 marker set from Amazon and it have the touch name, but it was, when I ordered, it was some Cymox or something like that. So doesn't matter, let's start it. So these are the markers. They are pretty well. I had already opened them and tested them, so they work really well. They are great, and they none of them are dry, so that's a pretty great things. So let's test them out. So I had tried all the markers, and here these are. So as usual, alcohol markers never works as they looks. The caps are different and the colors are always different, but that's okay. That's why we have to make the chart and try them out. So it's pretty cheap. It's 600 rupees, or you can say some around $7 to $8. Okay, so I'll show you the some results. So I had made a really quick sketch. So it's a one page sketch. So as you can see, it worked really well. Also the blending is a little bit not so good, but it works really well. There are some alternative also that I use most, such as this brush pens. I had used them most. They are really good. They are blend really well. They work really well, and these have the pastel colors that are the most beautiful thing of them. They work really great, and they are also some around 300. So it's also a really good option. It is half of the price, and it works really well if you want to try the markers. So these are the brush pens from Domes, and these are the brush pens from Camden. So I had most Dove's brush pens because they are the pastel colors. So brush markers have one tip, that is brush tips. So if you want a full video on this brush pen markers, then you can comment down below. I will share the link of these markers in my comment section. Also, thank you for watching this video.